Good morning, and welcome back to another adventurous day with Nacho Stuff. This looks like a busted canopy, and it could definitely be super dangerous. Oh, these will cut you up in a heartbeat, man. Oh. Let's try to keep you in one piece here. So, we are forced to do an express run today. Why, you ask? Well, spring break started today. I know, kind of weird, right? Let's start spring break on a Friday. But spring break is starting today. And I was just notified this morning that my oldest, who I never really rely on to help me out, is going to the beach. So, since he's going to the beach, I gotta be home. So we're express running this morning. We are gonna run around, see what we can find. Good thing is because they are home, I don't have to feed them and get them ready for school this morning. So I was able to get out a little bit earlier than normal. So we're gonna plug along, see what we can find over the next 90 minutes or so. And by the way, it poured again yesterday, so I think I'll need scuba gear at the yard today. I actually looked and looked and looked and looked. I didn't find them till this morning. My kids like you know those like outdoor wet boots you can wear? Well, I have a nice pair of those, so that way if I have to work in sogginess, I have them. But they like to wear them around. It's fun to wear dad shoes and clop around. Who knows where they're at, right? So I looked and I looked and I looked. Finally found them just this morning as I was walking out. So I've got those, so at least my feet will be dry, because that's the worst, man. Wet feet, no bueno. Not gonna lie, I'm a little disappointed. I think today could be pretty awesome. Look at this, a Fortnite gun. Are you broken? No? Wow. No, you work just fine. So, gosh, look at this car. Oh, he's missing a wheel though. The grave digger? Yes, the grave digger. So, anyway, I think today's gonna be pretty awesome. And I'm gonna have a short day, so we gotta make sure to speedster around at least this front neighborhood. Hunting game out in the urban wild. Sorry, cat. So we gotta make sure we get around before we run out of time. I haven't even been out here 5 minutes yet. Look at this. Oh, I'm telling you, man, we gotta get around here. Look at these fan. So, for those of you that don't know, and if you don't know, I don't know how you don't know, we are fans of fans here at Nacho Stuff. Make sure to smash that like button. And make sure to put your comment on the official comment video on how many fans we're gonna find in the month of March. I don't know, I had to check. There could be a TV in here. Or an old TV in here. Come on, TV. I don't know, there's a pot though. Oh, there is a TV in there. Score. All kind of stuff in here. Come on, get out of my way. I have a feeling this is gonna make a mess. This is gonna make a mess taking this TV. Oh, is there no TV in there? Oh, with a black piece of thing that looked like a TV. Oh, totally dirty trick. Oh, it was a piece of this that looked like a TV. Tag nabbit. Ooh, there's some more pots and pans though. A whole mess of them. Somebody is upgrading. Uh-oh. We done lost our boxes. Let's stack those back up. Stay. So, most of these I think got put out late last night because it rained until like 9 o'clock. Even all the baseball practices were canceled last night. I figured it'd be really wet out here today. Not wet like the yard though. Okay, you go there. Okie dokie schmokies. Let's move along. Random chair action. So I was thinking, next month, I think maybe we'll do a monthly contest. That would be fun, right? Next month, do we want to do random chairs? Or do we want to do TV sets? Leave me a comment. Or do we want to stick with fans? Because, and if you didn't know, we're fans of fans here in Nacho Stuff. Oh, these were hiding down on the grass. And they are in rough shape. Woo. Look at them bed rails. Wow. It's been probably buried in the dirt for a couple of years. I don't know that I've seen one that rusty before. Oh, and an update too. Remember that little car that I picked up yesterday? And said, maybe we'll sell it. Maybe it'll do good. Already gone, sold. Scoop. Told you today was gonna be good. I knew it. Maybe I'll grab these boards. Oh, that one's busted. Ah, that one's busted too. 200. I was like, maybe I'll give those and take those to the beach. Oh my gosh, look at that. I didn't even see it. Liar. That's a cool refrigerator. You see that? It's got the, what's it called? Diamond plating. Total man refrigerator. Gladiator by Whirlpool. All right, Gladiator, you're coming with. This one's not very heavy. I'm not getting my dolly out. I've got it, guys, but I'm just gonna muscle this one up here. I just don't feel like, oops, that's a left-handed refrigerator. That was weird. They must have a certain wall. I think most refrigerators open the other way. It's kind of awkward. Come on. Why are you trying to open on me, bro? There we go. Go gadget walls. This side's not gonna hold up. Oh no, I've lost a post. Guess we'll have to turn that in as extruded aluminum today. What is that? Oh, that's probably from that clock yesterday. Anybody know what time it is? Time to get this refrigerator up onto the trailer. That's what time it is. See, not very heavy at all. Oosh. All right, let's move along. All right, so update. Ran into my garbage, guys. I cut one of my clips out, Had like a crazy cat lady come out and so she's getting cut out. But anyways, I ran into my garbage guys. They were throwing a bunch of bed rails into their truck, and so I pulled up behind them and blared my horn at him. And as I did that, another scrapper was coming out the other side. He's like, "I want those bed rails!" And they're like, "Oh, you guys will have to rock, paper, scissors for him." I'm like, "He can just have them, and I'm not gonna fight over scrap. I'm just not doing it." So he's gonna score himself probably about, I don't know, 5 sets of bed rails. But I know where he's been, I know where they've been, so we're gonna run around and see what we can find. It's been kind of a whirlwind. But as I was going down the street after I ran into them, I found those that wicker furniture that has the metal insides that he didn't take. So my only assumption is he goes to the other yard that's a little more strict as far as on what you can bring. I don't know if they take those or don't take those, because I did not frequent that yard. So he can have the bed rails. I took the patio furniture. He probably came out a little bit ahead, but it makes him happy. I'm fine with it. I'm express running today anyway, so I can't get all the scoops. So let's continue on. See, there's still stuff out here. He's like, "There's another scrapper running." What's going on here? Didn't I did that one, right? I could have swore. What is going on here, folks? I did put that in there, did I not? Unless I just missed again. Dang it. Come on. This has been a pain in my patootie. Why? Okay, let's give it the college punch here. All right, we're getting a different pen. We need a skinnier pen, aka screwdriver. What do we want to use this morning? This one looks good. Oh gosh! By the way, we're here to get a microwave if we can ever get our act together. There we go. I'm not ready to build that wall yet. So, like I said, he's like, "Oh, someone's already run all that," so he's not even going to run this side of the neighborhood. Which makes no sense, because all of us scrap differently. I had someone yesterday say, "You're wasting time by picking through those piles." I personally love me a pick and pile. I'll take a pick and pile over something different. I mean, that car yesterday is a perfect example. Stop, assess the situation, picture that car, list it on Marketplace. It's like finding a 500-pound item. So, it takes a little bit of extra effort, but I'd rather do that, because you're still saving stuff from going into the landfill, and it's far less grunting and groaning associated with getting rid of some of those cool little knick-knack items. So, onward! There we go. There's the piece we're looking for to finish the walls. See, he's not even running over here because he's like, "I saw another guy." Well, the guy's leaving all kinds of stuff behind. Again, this is a plastic dishwasher that many yards don't like. My yard is not one of them, though. Let me stay there for a second while we pull this guy up. Okay. You're gonna go over yonder. And you're gonna go up like such. Clean, dirty Hagman. I need one of those. No, I don't. Nope. that go flat already. Come on, chair. Dang it. Why? There we go. Okay. All right. We're gonna tie the top. Move along. That sneaky little scrapper. I just passed him. He's like, oh yeah, there's somebody over there running that. I'm not gonna run it. And then he's over here running it. Trying to throw me off his scent. So, oh, the metal's out of that one already. So, he beat me to a stove. Gosh darn it! What are you gonna do though? Trying to throw me off the scent of metal. Not gonna happen, brah. May the fastest scrapper win. Got some schnibbits here. Oh, okay, you're metal. Put you here. We'll do the same thing we did the other day. Little piece of rebar. You guys get down there. There you go. Try to keep people from flying out. Get down. Go down. Everybody down. Alright. Let's move along. Let's see what kind of attachment we got here on this thing. Hopefully it's an easy one. Because I gotta keep moving. Gotta keep moving. I'm guessing it's going to be the old style. Oh, no, it's not. It's white. Oh, gosh darn it. Okay. Such great organization you got going there, Matt. I know. What do you want from me? Let's just see. No, those aren't. There's the ones I'm looking for. Oh no, the garbage guys are chasing me again. Ugh. Okay, let's get this done. Okay. We'll take that. Yeah, get rid of that metal. There's some metal's in my way. Come on. Oh gosh, that one's on there good. Oh my gosh, that one's on there good. These grips are, come on, these aren't wide enough. Come on. There we go. Not too bad. Okay. Boom. Oh. Lost a clip. Onward. This is like a used car lot here. We got a horse trailer. Oh, there is a battery in there. When I drove by, I'm like, gosh darn it, someone got the battery. No, we need a screwdriver. Where are you at? Your battery's gone. So they took that one because it was easy. We'll take one battery though. Screwdriver. I didn't put gloves on because I thought, oh man. But there's one here. I'll take it. Submerged in water, that's always good. A submerged battery is a great thing. But it's a $3 bill right there, folks. No, $2.75. All right. Onward. I told you, man. Today was gonna be good. Today was gonna be good. I just picked up this bike. There were two guys on the side of the road. Did not want to be filmed, so I grabbed a bike and moved along. You go right there. There's a juice in here. No. Oh, that's broken now. Come on, how are we gonna do this? Alrighty. Look at this. We got a load going today. I need to express run more often, man. This is crazy, crazy. We're gonna get ourselves some bed rails to make up for the ones we didn't get earlier. Come on. Where are we gonna put that guy? Where are we gonna put you? I know, packing's pretty horrible today, but I knew I would not be out here long. Someone got all the good yummies off of this though. All right, where do we want to stick this guy? Where do we want to put you? I think we're going to untie that wall and slide them right in the front. What do you think, guys? I think that's a good plan. Just a little one. It looks like it's got a little bit of water left in it. I'll have to let her drain out. Untie my walls. That one can move up a little bit more. If you have a problem, do not call us. Do not return water heater to place of purchase. Stay there. There you go. Come on. Bathroom rack. Got my tank in there. There we go. There we go. Turn. There we go. All right. I'm not gonna make you watch me tie this rail back down. Onward. And we're still getting stuff. This is crazy. Crazy, crazy. I wish that dog crate was in a little bit better shape. I probably could clean it up, but I'm just not doing that. Oh, the plate's in here too. Sweet. I thought that was going to be just a box. You get inside there. Give me here. I don't want the little plastic bowls. You can go in that box. This one's actually not horrible shape. But I've got 4 of them at the house and I still haven't even listed yet, so I'm not taking more. But Matt, you could resell it. I know. In all my free time. Come on, Cage. Work with me, brah. Gosh darn you. Come on, seriously? There we go. That one did not want to work. All right, onward. We'll off-road and get on the driveway, sorry. Well, I almost skipped the street because we're pressing our luck when it comes to getting home on time. And these are gonna be metal. Oh no, they're wood. They are wood. But that table's cool. Look at this table. Kidding me? Look at that thing. We're definitely taking this table. But I was hoping those were gonna be metal. Damn it. This table's cool. Look at this. Cool. We got ourselves a goodie. I really wish those were metal. When I drove by, I was like, they're not, they're wood. And I'm like, no, they're metal. No, Matt, they're wood. Onward. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. A beautiful day in the scrapyard. Won't you be mine? Won't you be mine? Oh man, look at this crap. So I come here into the yard and they're parked in like the one dry spot and I'm like, guys, you gotta move, man. This is ridiculous. Oh, hopefully they pull the plug out of here soon. So from start to finish, we're looking at about 2 hours of time from the time that I left the house till the time that I'll be back at the house. So that'll give you an idea of what this run was. Short day, wish it could be more, but when you don't find out until the morning that you got to be back by 10 o'clock, kind of ruins your day. So I think we did pretty darn good though, if you ask me. Ugh. Put those there, put that in my pocket. Get back here. Ugh. I think these might be cast. We got a bunch of new cars in here too. Hopefully it doesn't knock that pile over. That would not be good for me. Ooh, there's a whole bunch of water heaters again. Ridiculous, right? You can probably slide in over here. Can you get by me? I won't be long. Yeah, no one's very happy about the yard right now. That microwave I'm going to take. I'm going to try to do a non-ferrous bit for the end of the day. All right, fast unload today. All right, let's get the gate closed. All right, folks. See what she weighs and what she pays. Yeah. Non-ferrous Jeff. I don't got much for him today, but we're gonna get rid of this stuff. We are gonna get rid of it. Battery. Oosh, look at all that wire over there. Holy Moses. Where's Jeff when you need him? Lord, we'll turn these into clean. Come here. Oh, he showed up. Next month?
What are you doing with these?
They're my walls, brother.
I know. Why don't you leave them at home?
What?
Why don't you leave them at home?
Because I just came from the yard. I used them this morning.
Oh, did you?
Yeah. Ugh. Every ounce counts, man.
Every gram? It's like your drug dealer, every gram counts.
Come on.
Oh, you're bad at screwing.
Yeah, I am.
That's because you're married.
Don't forget my battery. Oh, you broke it.
Wait.
I think that's a quarter. That might even be a half. Oh, no, that's for my air. I was trying to get out of the way. That's my extra exhaust. Dude, it's ridiculous back there. It's so wet. Oh, yeah. Crazy, crazy.
Tomorrow's supposed to be really bad.
Yeah, it's supposed to get cold on Sunday.
Yeah, well, it's like 38 tomorrow night.
Yeah, that's cold.
Love the weather.
Oh. All right, brother.
What are you going to do when the price of gas starts going up?
Run shorter runs. What? Yeah. 16. When I'm pulling the trailer, less. So we'll figure it out. Have to run shorter, I guess. Like today, I'll run for an hour and a half. I've been using your stickers.
So we're not using stickers no more.
I can't see the glare.
That's good content.
All right, man. Have a great weekend. All right, guys, we're waiting paid. I forgot to do this at the yard because I wanted to get back to the Rugrats. My son called and said, "We're getting ready to leave. You better come back." So I said, "I'll be there." I was getting paid at the time, so you're getting the receipt today. Sorry about that. But we ended up well, man. 820 pounds of tin for $61.50. We had the quarter battery for, he did give me a quarter battery on that, you little stinker, Jeff. $1.25. I thought I was going to get $2.75 on that guy. But and clean aluminum. Oh, all those pans. The pots and pans, 6 pounds, 50 cents a pound, $3 for those pans. So our total for today was $65.75. Not bad for a couple hours work. So it's a little lighter than we like to be, but you know, I would have you know, obviously liked to continue running. I would actually probably run for another hour and a half to get stuff, but you know, we saved on gas today. We made some bucks. We have a chance to be home and break down some of our non-ferrous. Don't know that I'll include that in this video because I don't know that I'll get to the yard again today, but at least we'll get some of it broken down and sorted, which will help a ton. So hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great weekend. It's supposed to have a cold step here. We're supposed to be down into the high 30s, low 40s overnight on Saturday. So it's going to get cold here in Florida. And I know that the north is getting zowied again too. There's a storm going across the East Coast. So stay safe. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. We did get a new fan today. So our new tally is... make sure to consider subscribing if you're not already a subscriber, and make sure to share with a friend. Bring your friends in, bring them all in here. We'd love to have them. We're slowly building a really nice community here, and I thoroughly enjoy it. Make sure to leave me a comment. I always love to read the comments, and I'll do my best to respond to everybody. So remember, it's Nacho Stuff, but that does not mean you can't take someone else's trash and turn it into cash. So have a great, great, great weekend. Thank you for spending a little bit of your day with me. And until Monday, be safe, be happy, and I'll catch y'all then.